Good morning, everyone. I am Stinivas, Assistant Professor from the Department of Information Technology from B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. Today, I am taking the course Python Programming. In that, in today's video, I am discussing regarding control structures. These are called as control structures or control statements. Then, what is the control structure? You can say. Control statements are the statements which tells us in which order the instruction are getting executed. So control statements are used to control the order of execution according to our requirement. So we have different types of control statements. Here you can see first one is selection control statements, which are also called as decision making statements. Next one is iterative statements. These are also called as looping statements. So these control statements are selection statements. We have different types of selection statements here. Decision making statements you can see. If statement, if else statement, if elif statement, nested if statement. These are the statements supported by Python programming. Then let us see one by one. What is the if statement? Very simple example I can give you. If statement means in generally when we require any choice. For example, I want to go for a tea shop. There, if I want to take tea, my desire is I want to take tea. Then I may ask for the tea. Give me tea. If tea is available, then only I can take. Otherwise, simply I can come back. Like that, if statement is used for true statements. The program will be executed. If it is true, then only it will execute. Otherwise, it will come out of the if loop. So here a simple example you can see here a flowchart syntax you can see. First if is a keyword that should be written and the expression which we want to evaluate, test expression should be written, then statements. If the expression is true, then only respective block of statement will be executed. If not, it will ignore it. So this is regarding the if statement. Here also you can see here in the flowchart I have given test expression. If this expression which you are testing, which you are evaluating is true, then only it will be go for the block 1 statement. Otherwise, if it is false, it comes out of this if statement. Similarly, simple example I have given here, x is equal to 10. In the condition, we are checking the condition here, x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, then colon is, this is the indentation we have already learned in the beginning basic of the class. This creates a block of this if condition. Then x is equal to x plus 1, then print x. Your output will be 11. If at all this condition is x is greater than 0, 10 is greater than 0, so you will be getting the output, next expression will be executed. If not, for example, if I say x is less than 0, that is false condition because 10 is not less than 0. So then it will comes out of this if block. You will not get any output, no output. Similarly, another statement we can see here, if else. So this is very related to if condition. So as I given you just now example, if I go to a tea point, I may ask for the tea. If tea is not available, if I give any other choice, if tea is not available, otherwise I can go for the next choice, that is like coffee, then I can take coffee. So my first condition is that if condition, if the condition is false, if not available, I can go for the next one. I want to eat apple. If apple is not available, I can go for another fruit choice, maybe for banana. So banana you can eat. That means if the first condition is false, then we can go for the next condition. Similarly here you can see the condition. here the syntax will be same as like previously. Here you can see if condition should be there, statement. If condition is false, the respective statement will execute. If it is false, if the condition is true, the respective statement will execute. If it is false, it will go for the next condition. So here you can see in the flowchart, condition, if it is true, then block of statement. If it is false, false block of statements. So very simple example in the previous case which I discussed. If check whether the person is eligible to write to vote or not. As for our India country, if the person is having 18 years of age, they have the right to vote. If not, they are not allowed to vote. They cannot use the right. So here I have given the same program. Here age is equal to some input. That means we are giving the input from the keyboard. So if age is less than 18, age is greater than or equal to 18, you are eligible to write vote. If not, if age is less than that, then you are not eligible to write vote. Similarly, to check a given number is even or odd. Here you can see in the if condition, if the number is modulus of 2 is equal to 0, that means if the remainder is 0, modulus is we are using for remainder. If the remainder is 0, then we can say if any number is divided by modulus of 2, then remainder is 0, then we can call it as an even number. If not, else it is odd number. Two conditions. In the if condition, only condition is true, then only the respective block of statement will execute. If it is false, if we go for the other choice, then that is else condition. Elif condition. Elif condition also very similar to if condition, but here in this case, if condition we are checking only one condition, but in elif condition we are checking multiple conditions. If the multiple conditions are failed, then we are going for the else condition. That is elif statement or elif condition, we can call it as. Here you can see student syntax. If condition 1, then respective statement will execute. Elif condition 2, that means next one more condition. Respective block of statement will execute. Here 4, 5, 6 in this example. If all these are failed, all these are false, then we can go for the else statement. We will be executing statement 7 and 8. More than one condition we are checking. If all the conditions are failed, then rest, otherwise next one, that is else block, will be executed. Here you can see if the number is equal to 10, print the given number is equal to 10. Elif the number is equal to 50, print the number is equal to 50. Elif the number is equal to 100, print it 100. Else the given number is not equal to all these conditions. That is the else condition. So this is a very simple example. Here simple examples you can execute. Okay, then let us go for the next condition, that is iterative statements. So nested if I want to give you some small statement, that nested if is nothing but if a condition is used in another condition, if within the another if we use, then it is called as nested if, or like elif you can call it as. Let us see iterative statement. So Python supports the two iterative statement, that is called while statement and for statement. So in the C we have along with these two do while also there, that is entry control, exit control we have discussed. So in this Python it supports only two statements, for and while. So here we can see with the simple example, you can see the while condition. What is happening? First condition is a syntax. You can see while should be written. While is a keyword that should be written, ended with this colon, so that it creates this block. The respective statement will be executed. Similarly, here the indentation is very much important. We have to maintain the indentation. Take care of this indentation. Next, here flowchart you can see condition. We should go for if the condition is false, it comes out of the loop. If the condition is true, the respective loop will be executed. Here, better example you can see. Here, initialization, first initial value we are declaring I is equal to 0. While, next, while is the keyword we are taking. Then, the condition should be written in parenthesis brackets. Here, I is less than or equal to 10. Then colon. Colon creates, I told you that, indentation. It creates a block of for y. Print I end. That means I should be printed. Then what is the expression we are given? I is equal to I plus 1. If the condition is true, then only this begin from 0 to 10 plus 1. Okay. Then next, first statement. In Python, the first statement is used. Here in the first statement, this is the syntax for we have to write variable in sequence. Sequence in the sense it may be tuples, it may be list, or it may be dictionary, whatever it may be. Then the respective statement will be executed. Next, for I in the range 1 comma 5. So this range function we have already discussed in the previous video. So here for I in range 1 comma 5, 1 gives here beginning number and it should end till 5. The output will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Here in the next one you can see for I in range 1, 10, 2. The meaning of this one is this one which is big is called as beginning number from which we have to print. 10 is ending number, till what extent we will end. Next one is step 2. This creates the difference. If here you can see 1, 2, 3. So difference of this number is 2. If I give 3 here, what may be the result? Just you can write in the comment box. So this is regarding the first statement. So thank you student. These are the simple statement, decision making statement, iterative statement with the simple basic example we have discussed. Then we'll come up again in the next video with another topic. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.